Oh, there you go. Another one just came in. Another application. Brilliant. They're flowing in thick and fast. People want to work with someone like me, someone who is, a business leader in this country, someone who's got experience and is also basically a chilled out entertainer and probably end up being a friend as well. So